you would want your lashes. And then of course it will be longer than, ooh. Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we are going to be doing a how-to video on, it's the best part in my opinion, besides for cutting the crease. So what you're gonna need is your lashes. These I already have cut. You need some eyelash glue. I used just Duo. You can get it from Target. And you need some tweezers and a mirror. So what you want to do first is, if you have new lashes, you want to cut them so that they're the length of your eye. These are already cut. I don't have any lashes that I need to cut, but what you would do, of course, you gently take it out of the case, but you would hold your lash up to your eye and take your mirror, and you would like place it up to see how far you want it and everything, and then kind of like mark it with your hand. So you would place like the inner portion as far in as you would want your lashes, and then of course it will be longer than this, but you would just mark the end off with your hand and then just cut it off right there where your nails are. So, but that's already done, so I can't really show you guys how to do that. Anyway, you want to make sure you don't have a whole bunch of excess glue on your lashes. You should always take your glue off after you take off your lashes. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your lash, okay? And what I do is I put my glue on first. So you take your lash, you take your glue, okay, and you just apply it to the strip. Make sure there's enough on there, especially on the ends. And voila, and then you set that down and let it dry a little bit. And while that one's drying, you grab the other lash, do the same thing. So like I said, make sure you don't have a whole bunch of glue on it. It should already be removed from the last time you wore your lashes. And just apply some more to the band. Make sure you get your inner and outer corners, because you don't want it to like fall off or like start coming off and then you got your eyelashes sticking up. Alright, so with this glue, I probably let it dry for, I don't know, 20 seconds. You want it to be tacky, not all the way dry and not wet. Alright, so once it's dry enough, you're going to take your mirror and you're going to hold it at a downward angle. This is why it's good to have like a double mirror, because you're going to want to see below you. You want to be looking kind of down when you're putting your lash on. So you're going to take the lash and you're going to line up the sides with where you want to place, and you're going to push it in the middle first. I don't do the edges first because you can always just like bring it down and make it right or whatever, but I want to stick the middle portion on first. So looking down, you make sure that you're going to get it right at the lash line, and boom, stick the middle, okay? And then I would do the outside last. So you want to take your tweezers and just gently bring it over and push that over into your lid as well. And then you go and take the inner portion and bring that over and stick it right at where your lash line is. You want to get it as close as you can to your actual lashes, so that way you don't end up with like that butterfly where you can see like the fake lashes and your real lashes. You don't want that. So then you can just play with it, you know, make sure that it's like stuck on, like all parts of the band are sticking to your lid. And yeah, so that's how you put on a lash. I'm just gonna do this side and let you guys watch. I think this glue might have dried a little bit too much. Alright, so like I said, same thing. You want to line it up with your eye. Kind of look down, make sure that you're And as far as the placement of your tweezers, you want it as close as possible so that way you have the most control over the lash. So you stick it in the middle, look down, make sure that you're seeing where your lash line is. Line it up with your eye where you want to place it. And you can kind of pull it a little bit to make sure that it's not hard, but just like tug a little bit to make sure that it's taut. And yeah, so that's how you put on lashes. Now it does take time and practice like with anything else. I've been putting on lashes for a while, but those are pretty much the basic steps. So if you just practice and keep doing that over and over again, then eventually you'll get it. So I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe right down below either so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And oh yeah, follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, all that next screen and down below in the description. And yeah, thanks. I'll see you guys in my next video.